Part 1. Do you like animals?
Yes, I've always loved animals. They're fascinating creatures, and I enjoy learning about their behaviors and habitats. Being around animals also has a calming effect on me.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog named Max. He's a Labrador Retriever, and he's incredibly friendly and playful. Taking care of him is a rewarding experience.
What kinds of animals are common as pets in your country?
Dogs and cats are the most common pets in my country. People also keep birds, fish, and sometimes small animals like rabbits or hamsters.
Have you ever been to a zoo?
Yes, I've visited zoos several times, especially as a child. I enjoyed seeing exotic animals up close, like lions, elephants, and pandas. It was both fun and educational.
Why do some people dislike keeping pets?
Some people dislike keeping pets because of the responsibilities involved, such as feeding, cleaning, and ensuring their health. Others may have allergies or simply prefer not to have animals in their living space.
Part 2. Describe a time you saw an interesting animal. You should say what animal it was, where you saw it, what it was doing, and explain why you found it interesting.
One memorable experience I had was seeing a dolphin during a visit to a marine park. It was a bottlenose dolphin, and I watched it during a live show that demonstrated its intelligence and agility. The dolphin was performing tricks like jumping through hoops and balancing a ball on its nose. What impressed me the most was how it responded to the trainer's commands with such precision, showcasing its ability to learn and interact with humans. I found it fascinating because dolphins are known for their high level of intelligence, and seeing one up close gave me a deeper appreciation for these remarkable creatures. It was a reminder of the importance of protecting marine life and their habitats.
Part 3. Why do people keep pets?
People keep pets for various reasons. Pets provide companionship and emotional support, which can help reduce stress and loneliness. They also teach responsibility and bring joy to everyday life. For some, pets are even considered part of the family.
What are the benefits of having animals in urban areas?
Animals in urban areas, such as pets, can help people feel more connected to nature. They encourage outdoor activities like walking or playing in parks, which promotes physical health. Additionally, community animals like birds or squirrels add vibrancy to the environment.
What are the challenges of protecting wild animals?
Protecting wild animals is challenging due to habitat loss, poaching, and climate change. Governments and organizations must work to enforce laws, raise awareness, and invest in conservation efforts. Balancing human needs with wildlife preservation is also a complex task.
How can schools teach children about animals?
Schools can teach children about animals through interactive methods like field trips to zoos or nature reserves, classroom projects, and documentaries. These activities help children develop respect for animals and understand their role in the ecosystem.
Do you think zoos are still relevant today?
Yes, zoos are still relevant, but their focus should shift towards education and conservation. Modern zoos play a crucial role in protecting endangered species and raising awareness about wildlife issues. However, it's essential to ensure that animals are kept in environments that mimic their natural habitats as closely as possible.